Hello, I'm Thomas. Welcome back to another video. Let's start. Take a styrofoam head, the cheapest one will do the job. It doesn't matter if it's damaged, there is much more to come. Mark the injuries. This one gets an open mouth and an empty eye socket. Cut out the jaw and remove some material to make it fit. Looks good. Now cut out the eye, of the foam head, of course. Now take some white glue, thin fabrics or paper towel and a cleaning glass for the brush. Glue the fabric or the paper towel onto the head and make much wrinkles. Victim number 2 has no eyes and no jaw. If you enjoy the video, please subscribe for more and don't forget to ring the bell. Thank you. Red, brown, black and white acrylic paint. Dark brown and white paint comes first, then add some red for a rotten skin tone. You can use a sponge or a brush for painting. Use different mixtures of paint to give it a more organic look. Black and red for old and dried blood and pure black for the deep areas. The dabbing with the brush will give it the look of veins under the skin and add some bruises all over the head. So far so ugly. Artificial fingernails for the teeth, just pushed into the styrofoam. Victim number 3 without nose and upper lip. Number 1 gets teeth too. Seal everything with a clear coat. There will be a tutorial for the scarecrow's body on my channel too, so stay tuned for more. It's showtime. Happy Halloween! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. Thank you and have a nice day.